This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Alright, man. Hopefully everything is looking right. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little pissed off, bro. I've been trying to record this video for 30 damn minutes, bro. God damn. God damn. Yeah, bro, for 30 goddamn minutes. I'm a little irritated, gang. I'm not gonna lie. I ain't even want to shoot a video on this side because we be over here so goddamn much, bro. But like at this point, I ain't trying to leave y'all hanging, you know what I'm saying, without a video for too damn long, bro. But bro, only if y'all knew how pissed off I am. I don't even know like if the camera is angled right or what. My fault. If this wire right here irritating y'all, my fault, bro. Look, I'm gonna fix it. I did not mean to turn it on. It's about to start tapping. But bro, I just gotta run this wire up and over and down, you know what I'm saying? Like that's how I did the actual camera. Well, not the camera, but the camera that's facing in the front, basically. So yeah, my fault, bro. But I've been trying to film this video for 30 minutes, bro. I'm so blowed and irritated, bro. Like, my fault, bro. If I don't sound too goddamn happy, bro, I'm pissed right now, bro. And then if y'all see my dash keep like, if y'all see the hand keep going, like moving, like y'all, trust me, y'all will see it do it. It's just a fucking circuit or something like that I gotta replace. I'm not doing it today, bro. That mess pissed me off earlier. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna fix it, but it's not today, bro. So y'all gonna have to rock with me today, bro. And sometimes it might make a weird ass noise. Well, it's gonna make like a chime noise, like letting you know there's something wrong with your car. Hold on, they getting nasty in that goddamn in that van. Y'all seen that shit? Bro, this is like the type of like shit that we gotta go through. Like, look at how dog the like. Look at this shit, bro. Damn. Okay, now he's wilding to the Z. I hope I caught that shit okay, bro. Yo, bro, my fault, bro. You got that bright ass sun in my face. But yeah, I'm literally just leaving work. I was like, bro, I want to get some footage, bro. If it's anybody who watch my video, well, I know it's y'all. I know I have a Richmond fan base also. The people that's here, or just like in Virginia in general, bro, is there any like back roads or anything like that that's like somewhat close to the area, bro? Because I know about like Tappahannock and all of that, but I'm not trying to drive on Tappahannock. Like, I mean, if it comes down to it, bro, I mean, I guess, bro, but I don't want to have to drive to Tappahannock because I know how that drive is, bro. That's a crazy drive, gang. But I mean, I don't know, bro. Y'all boys, let me know, bro. I'm trying to think. Which way I'm probably gonna play around for a little bit. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Yeah, my bad, bro. If y'all looking at the same damn, ooh, that's twin in them. That's exactly how my shit used to look. My shit don't look like that no more though. But that is exactly how my shit used to look. Y'all remember them rims? Like look, I don't even got them shits. Well, I got them, but I ain't got them on the car. Damn. Yo, that's crazy, bro. His shit sit better than my shit too, though. Dang, yup, and that used to be a cop car too. That used to be a cop car, bro. Yeah, twin. That's how my shit used to look, man. Bro, y'all hear like my shocks and shit? That shit is so loud now. Like at first you barely heard it, but now you can hear that motherfucker. Like, that is exactly how my shit used to look, bro. My shit don't look like that no more. That's crazy as hell. My fault. I'm fucking with him. I wonder if that's a V6 model. Or it could be a V8, because my shit was a V8 and it was just quiet, like just naturally quiet as hell. And because he got the same rims and all of that, his shit might just be how mine was, just naturally just quiet as hell. Like, even when you got on the gas, it was still somewhat quiet. Like, whew. Let me through, man. Damn. Yo, bro, with this Honda Easy, I'm thinking you finna get up in that bitch. Stop playing. Of course. Cause these niggas playing, bro. Y'all see that? I don't know what the hell that was. I'm like, yo, bro, is he not gonna like go through that shit? He did not go through it. I'm like, you know what? Okay. Oh, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I might have found a way to get paddle shifters on my car. I might have found a way. Now, it's gonna take a little engineering though. For people, like for the people who don't know, my model, I got the wrong year, bro. So it's a little bit harder to get paddle shifters instead of just like popping the shit off on the side and then, you know what I'm saying? They said unless you have a late year model of a 2011, then it's a slim chance you probably have it. But I don't know, and I really don't want to like take all this shit off and then be like, oh, I don't got it, and I gotta put everything back on, and then I, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just gonna go with the assumption off the rip that I don't have it. So yeah, but I think I found a way though on how to do it. Taser, get a taser, bro. Cause from what I'm hearing, tasers, you can change the buttons around and shit. So if anything, I'ma change my volume button and all of that shit. Like the radio functions on my steering wheel, I'ma make them for my upshifts and downshifts. Cause I barely use this shit anyway. Yo, bro, my fault, y'all. I'm trying to let the bit eat, but also though, yo, but this nigga brake checking me. It ain't nobody in front. Yo, bro, you see what I'm saying though? God damn. Bro, it ain't a soul in front of this nigga, bro. Now it is. Look, he done let a whole nother car get in front of him. Look at this shit. Oh, gee, please don't stop, of course. Oh, fucking course. I knew it was happening though. Like, I knew it. I'm letting y'all know this now. Off the rip, the first, like, if he go up just a little bit more, bro, I guarantee you I'm taking this shit. I'm not about to sit right here. Of fucking course. Yo, bro, G, what the fuck you doing, bro? What the fuck is you doing? Niggas is here to play. I'm not here to play with you niggas, bro. Yo, bro, my fault people want to drive like dumbasses, bro. Yo, bro, am I tripping? Am I tweaking? Like, bro, you got one dude, he got, man, bro, the car that was in front of him, nigga was at that truck right there. And then you got, yo, bro, a lot of dumb, yo, I see what Rand be talking about, bro. Yo, bro, people just be, they a bunch of bots. That's all it is, bro. Just a bunch of CPUs, literally. Like, that's how the people be driving on the Crew Motorfest, I swear. It don't be nothing in front of them niggas, bro, and they be driving like that. Like, what the hell is going on here? I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna take that route. I'm not even gonna sit here and lie. I was most definitely gonna take that route. Yo, hey, I will say this. Cause y'all know my car, like the front end of my car is kind of like lifted like a squatted truck damn near. So I can't really get too much speed. If I get speed, like it'll damn near, okay, so now this is just from what my stunt driver told me. When this shit hit to like 120, it damn near don't feel like it's going any faster. So when I get that bit lower, I know it should pick up a little bit more now, cause like a lot of wind is getting underneath my car. I don't know where the hell I'm at, but I'm just driving, no cap. We might damn near run into Isaiah out there, bitch. But like, twin, what you doing out here? Damn. Oh my God. Well, I'm running into my little brothers and shit. Speed bump, man. Speed bump. Some yellow lights. Oh my God, I was ready to punch this dude. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I was ready to stomp on this motherfucker, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God, this shit sound crazy. Damn. Yo, bro, our roads are dog shit. It's no way, like I can't even say nothing else. Like, our roads just suck. Like, no cap. Damn. Y'all think I can turn right on this shit? Even though it's like, you feel what I'm saying? Cause I mean, the shit don't say that I can't turn right. I'm not the only one, but some roads just don't look like you can turn on them shits when it's right. Like, well, like when it's like a red light, bro. So I'd be like, I don't know, bro, but it don't be saying it though. So I'd be like, bro, look, the shit don't say it. So if I get pulled, nigga, it don't say it. Like, yo, bro, you can't get mad at me. I'm using y'all rules, nigga, no cap. My nigga, I know you won't about to do what I think you was about to. Hold up, I just want to see what this car about to do real quick. Okay, no, the car wasn't. Okay, I was about to say, I know damn well you was not about to try to jump in front of me, gang. Hold up. I know where I'm at. I know exactly where I'm at. Damn, I could have got a thumbnail right there. Damn. Y'all want to see Isaiah's old crib? Look at how dog the roads are. Like, you just hear straight shocks, just like, yo, bro, it gets to a point, like, no cap. Nah, I'm just chatting, bro. Y'all know, bro, when I be driving, bro, I just be chatting it up. I ain't gonna lie to y'all niggas, bro. Damn. They got the box Chevy outside. This shit looks so crazy, bro. Like, look. Hold up, what house is this house? This house right here. This one with his car is in front of, I believe, yeah. That's the, oh my, I fucked up. I'm about to scrape like shit, bro. Oh my, I forgot how bad this shit is right here. Hold up. I gotta try to pull some goddamn, oh my God. Please don't tell me one of you niggas is about to turn. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Am I good? I'm good. Bro, something just, I don't know what it is, bro. Something don't feel right about my car, bro. Like, my car never, like, you could never, like, bro, my shocks was never this damn loud. I promise y'all they won't. I'm about to come over this bitch and get a thumbnail real quick, and then I'm leaving, ski. I might end the video over here, actually. Matter of fact, I'm about to do it right here. What the fuck you niggas talking about? I'm about to end it big right here, ski. Alright, man. Hold up. Let me stop this bit real quick. This shit look insane as fuck. Y'all can see the light a little bit. Bruh, I know my car dirty as hell. I gotta go get it washed, bro. I just ain't had time. And I'm gonna fix this too. I might as well. I gotta just wait till Isaiah's free pretty much. Really, I could just buy the shit and do it myself. But like, come on, bro. Isaiah got the shit already, bro. Just go to his house and do it. This shit looks crazy. Hold up, wait. That's a good thumbnail. Look at that. Look at the cam on niggas, bro. But yeah. Hold on, wait. Make sure we straight. Okay, yeah, we good. But yeah. If y'all boys enjoyed this shit, man, make sure y'all boys like the video, man. Comment, man. Subscribe. I know my car dirty as hell. That's bad. But yeah, bro, if y'all boys fuck with this shit, man, make sure y'all like the video, man. Comment, man. Subscribe. I'm out this bitch, bro.